Hi, welcome back to the shop. Today's video, I want to get rid of all this old wiring and junk on here, and so I can start fresh with and just rewire it all from scratch. I also want to get rid of this oil tank because I'm not going to be able to use it. I got to get a different one. And I want to get the rear tire back off, clean up all the old welding stuff off of the swing arm back here. And I'd like to get this kicker cover off because it's broke. And I mean, we got an electric start, don't really use the kicker, but I'd like to be able to use it if we want to. So let's get started. Gonna get rid of this wiring in a hurry. I'm just gonna clip it off. Except this switch. Go ahead and pull the switch. Let me see. All right. I think I'm gonna relocate the switch anyway. All right. That one goes down to the starter solenoid. I think instead of cutting the starter solenoid one, I'll just pull it out and leave it. I'm definitely gonna need that one anyway, so no need to cut it out. All right. Off the coil. Cut it there. The negative off the coil, or the wire going to the points off of the coil. No, I'm gonna go ahead and cut that too. Those wires go from the generator, lost my train of thought for a minute, up to the regulator rectifier. I'll leave those. Leave that one there. These goes up through the handlebars. I'm replacing all of that mess. Well, I got rid of a mess of wires. Yeah, I think it's better to start with a whole new wiring harness for it and get rid of all that mess. Okay. Yeah, that was pretty quick and painless. 2 ground wires. Leave them. I'll be taking this off. This was a hydraulic setup for the rear brakes, because when I put the trike rear end on it, we went to a rear disc brake. Not gonna go there. I'm gonna go back to the factory drum brake on this bike now. So take all that off. Cut that brake off. I had made this bracket to hold this. Go ahead and cut it and get it off of there. Oh, that was a mess. I don't need that dang arm in it. All right. Hey, you don't want to watch me grind all this swing arm, all the grinding I got to do on it. So we'll go ahead and pop this axle cover off. Or not axle, kicker cover. Got to take the kicker off, then the cover. Yeah. spring off of it. Spring's got a lot of tension on it. All right. Now we should be able to pop that cover off. Well, appears to be on there pretty good. Let's grab a pry bar right quick. It's just an aluminum cutter. You don't need to put a lot of pressure on it, but this reach, I had to use this to get back in there. Oh, that went. You know, that's under a lot of pressure. Well, having to take the foot peg off too, just to get it off. Let me grab me a rod wrench to get that off. Yep, looks like the pipe's going to come off. These come loose. There we go. That's what I've been struggling with, is this kicker cover. It broke right across that top. I'd like to clean that up. Try to weld that back together. All right. Yep, I'm going to take this oil tank off. That was on there before I got the bike. But looks like they rednecked it on there, so. Wow. Yeah, I'm just going to cut those oil lines. They're pretty rough shape. Let's see how much oil is in here first before I make a big mess. Yep, it will make a mess. Go ahead and pull these two bolts out of the back. I know I've been jumping around on here, from project to project. Been thinking that I'm gonna quit doing that. I'm gonna get on one project, go ahead and get it all finished, and that way, I think it. Yeah, that's probably what y'all would rather see. I mean, if I'm wrong, tell me. If you'd rather see me working on different stuff, that's fine too. I just think it would probably be better to work on one till I'm done with it and then move to the next one. I mean, I say, you tell me that I can do whatever. I do it for entertainment value and hope y'all enjoy what you're watching. If not, that's, there's other channels out there. But I think it would be better, like I say, for me to actually finish a project. 'Cause I see too many YouTubers out there that start a bunch of different projects and don't like to finish them, and I don't want to be that guy. So I'll see me more focused on certain projects from now on. Like I'm on this one now, so I'm gonna try to go ahead and see it all the way through, get it to at least to the paint stage before I work on anything else. That way, we're moving forward. All right. Well, I'm not sure how they managed that one. Yeah. Just wired in. It's junk. There we go. That's down there. All right, whole tank's out. Got a lot of grinding here to do. Grinding back here on the swing arm to clean all that up, clean up all these welds, get it back smooth, and where I can paint the frame. Get the wheel spaced like it's supposed to be. Well, that's a pretty good episode there. I'm gonna leave it at that, and see you next time.